Hey, what it do, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today you guys can see that I'm in the bay that has the overhead crane in it. We got it cleaned out again. You guys can see that my little welding table over there is empty. We got the go-kart back on the ground, even though it broke again, but I'll showing you guys a little bit of that in this video. But the bulk of today's video, we are going to be building the fabrication tables in here. I got my mini excavator in the back warming up. We're gonna go ahead and pick up some big steel road plates, bring them over here. I got some steel that we're gonna use for the legs. And then I'm planning on getting the rest of these welded up, bolted to the ground. So there's probably gonna end up being some other random stuff in here, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go ahead and jump into it and let's roll. All right, so we got the good old 3055 over here warming up. We're gonna go ahead and grab the lifting eye off of this back plate, move it over to this one, and we'll pick this guy up. This does have the non-skid on it. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over and use the bottom side because it does not have any. So let's go ahead and get this thing picked up. So we got both plates right here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, and then I'm gonna grind down like a little spot there. Then we're gonna basically build the tables upside down, and then we'll flip them over upright, and then we'll be done with them. So I got the 4 legs welded, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm basically going to cut some of that square tubing that's right there. I'm going to run it from here to here, from here to there. Basically go all the way around to make it so that these legs can't open up if for some reason I put a ton of weight right here and this plate wants to bow. These legs will not separate. So basically we're just reinforcing this a little bit, and after I get those tacked in place, then we're going to go ahead and weld the heck out of this thing, and it'll pretty much be done.
Gonna go up a little more. We're good. Gene? No Gene? No Gene. All right.
Guys, I'm not gonna put the screws this video. I just came through here with the blower real quick, got all the dirt out that was basically caked onto these plates because they were sitting out back for a while. But so the only thing that I really have left to do is build some sort of device down here to like adjust the height by, we're talking maybe a 1/16 of an inch at a time, because I need this to be like perfectly flat with that other table, because I'm gonna be setting some frame rails across here, so I need it to be flat, flat, flat. So when I start building stuff over here, it's gonna be the same height over there, and you guys get the point. So huge step in the right direction. I'm loving this. We're getting closer and closer to being able to start the actual tow truck project build. I did pick up some stuff for the crane, but I got to go out of town next week again. So that's going to get put on hold for a little bit until I get back. But thank you guys for watching. Give me a huge solid like, subscribe, share this video with your amigos. hit that notification button so you guys can continue to see other stuff that we got going on, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.